Hi everybody!
Princess Nicole Hyala, Titiana, 21, Philippines.
And I'm Mommy Nicole Hyala or Mommy Emmy. And you know what guys, alam niyo po, si Princess got her grades yesterday. Yon. So it was given to us online, yung kanyang mga grades. And guess what? All A's! Yan, pakita natin yung grades niya. Ayan o, yan. Those are your grades. Gusto niyo yung 100% sa music and art. O, diba? Ang lakas maka-artista ng 100% sa music and art. And that's because siya po ay puro A's. My husband and I, si Daddy rin, decided to go to the mall. Hindi pa po kompleto na open yung mall, pero we just went to the mall kasi baka mamaya meron naman kaming makita na something for her. And Princess has always wanted a remote control car. Yan. Kasi meron po dito mga remote control car sa bahay. Pero dahil nga, ang tagal nang hindi nagamit, baby pa kasi siya noon, hindi na siya nagpo-function. So, nung time na tinatry na namin siyang ilagay or ayusin, it did not work. So, tas inabutan na ng quarantine period. So, hindi na kami nakabuy for her, diba? So, dahil good grades naman, so, we did our best ni Daddy rin to look for a remote control car. And here it is!
And then it's chargeable and there's already batteries inside. So don't worry if it's low bat because it's already chargeable.
Okay, thanks babe. So now we're going to open it. Help me open it, babe.
Other side, Mom.
So bubuksan na po natin itong, let's read it first, babe.
It's
a
off-road vehicle.
It's an off-road vehicle. So ang presyo po nito originally is 1,499. But it's discounted. So
What's
1,000
discounted?
Less the price.
Yeah!
It's 1,070. Always remember, babe, when you see a price, tapos meron siyang yellow na tag, usually it means that there's a discount. So, when you go to the mall, when everything is normal, and you see a toy which has a yellow tag, it means it's discounted. You can ask your daddy. Pwede nating ano yan, baka mamaya 50% off, o kaya ano. O, diba? Open.
And then I'm gonna show you how I drive.
Babe, you like it?
Or what if put a ghost? Yes.
Oo, possible talaga na agawin na ni Papa
tapos,
Pot.
Mom,
It comes with a charger kasi this one is rechargeable.
tapos Mom, what if you break it like one of the toys?
What?
Like what if we break it?
No, let's make sure that he doesn't.
Yeah.
Basta as long as you share it with Papa po, he won't get mad. Yan. Kasi alam niyo po itong mga anak.
But if he gets it, I'll control it.
Magagalit siya kasi hindi
And then he'll think it's scary, so he won't get it from me anymore.
Yan. So, simple lang po siya.
We already charged it, so
Sige. Tingnan natin, ha.
oh my gosh, I can't.
Sige, go.
It's Mommy's turn to control.
Oh.
Mom! That can be a little hard.
Oh. Yes, mga kabisyo. Ang hirap po. Oh.
Mom, you're horrible. Mom, you should go back. Back.
Anong meron? Bakit hindi ko siya makontrol?
Ako na, Mom. My turn.
Okay, sige na nga, si Princess na lang.
Always your number one. SM Radio Station. Love Radio.